Meredith, are you looking forward to the day?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
We have a couple errands to run first. We got to drop off a return at our local hardware store. We also need to drop off some t-shirts at the local men's homeless shelter that we support. Wish us luck. I don't have the best health insurance, so I'm hoping not to break a leg here or anything today. All right, everybody's here. We're getting ready to leave the house and head to the ice rink. We'll have the crew introduce themselves here.
I'm Will. I'm Michael.
I'm Meredith.
All right, let's do this. What's your name?
Sloan Wolf.
I heard you're going to be a famous NHL player someday.
I hope.
So I think you're the only one of our group here that can skate, right?
I got it. Michael's got it.
Michael's got it?
I got it. I'm not got it. No, you got that.
Go ahead.
Dial's nice.
To use.
Yeah, she wanted me for real.
How's it feel being the fastest skater out here?
Feels great, eh? Feels amazing. Don't have to worry about embarrassing myself.
Other than hanging out with us. Here with Michael, the guy that just died on the ice rink, but he's doing better now.
Yeah. How do you feel about getting beat up? It's alright, I guess. I'm just the best skater around here. Yeah. Going back.
So I'm here with Meredith. We've been skating for how long?
About half an hour.
Half an hour. She just said, can we go get Starbucks?
Don't take finance tips from me. Take it from him.
This video is not sponsored by Starbucks. So here's Michael. He's trying to learn how to skate backwards. There you go. Saul's giving us lessons on how to skate backwards. Make C's.
You want to push off your toe.
You almost just died again.
Almost just died again.
All right, here we are at the ice rink. We're having a great time today. The reason I wanted to make an ice skating video today is just, like Meredith said, just to show people every now and again, you got to do things that take you out of your comfort zone. This is definitely one of those things for me. I skate maybe once a year. And then when my daughter and her friends said that they were going to go skating today, there's no way I was going to let them go by themselves. It's fun to get out here, do something I'm not used to doing. And it's humbling to get out here. And fortunately, I haven't fallen yet today, but come out here and kind of look like a goon. I think it's good for you. Can knock you down a peg. Plus, you're learning. You're getting some good exercise, doing something fun.
I'm like horrible at this. I play basketball. I don't do this. With my ankles, they hurt, and basically, I'm not meant for this. Like, this just hurts. I'm not good at it.
We're too tall for this. Our center of gravity is higher.
You know, one thing I'll tell you, right now I'm on a paid holiday. It's one of the perks, I guess, of working for a Fortune 200 corporation is I get 15 paid holidays in a year, which is awesome because then you can come to a place like this, have fun, get out there, get some exercise. We're about an hour into it. I think people's feet are getting sore.
So now, Saul asked Will, what's harder, hockey or basketball, now that he's skated? I said rugby. And I think I don't know if that's hockey or basketball. Obviously harder. But like hardest sport is not rugby. Dude,
I'd say rugby.
Hear me
or,
out,
like,
golf.
Some sort of MMA.
Golf's hard. Yeah, golf.
I was gonna say UFC.
Yeah, UFC or rugby.
I said.
Boxing.
Any form of boxing. But I feel like you just gotta have like the guts to do it. You know what I mean? Like, it's not hard, but it's
No,
like
that's
it's a lot of
technique.
technique though. Yeah.
There's a right way and a wrong way.
Think about like death sentence from street
That leg
beef
is
stuff.
hard too. There's a right way and a wrong way.
Yeah. You gotta watch those street beefs.
I've never,
So funny.
I've never seen it. No.
It's like average people and they just fight each other in like some octagon that's made out of like wood and stuff. It's so funny.
I'll have to check that out.
You ever seen street beef, Saul?
Is it like the YouTube thing?
Yeah. It's fun. The one guy's name's like Death Sentence.
Oh yeah.
All right, so we're gonna pack it in now. We're here heading over to the skate return place. We had a good time. I think it's good we stopped after about an hour. That way I'll be able to walk tomorrow, hopefully. I didn't wipe out today. Didn't have to use my insurance. Nobody ended up in the ER.